All right, welcome back. We left off, you were just starting to try out these A through B through D in your binders on page S19 in the second part here of our lesson 6 on adding vectors geometrically. So the next one is V minus W. So what I find useful, remember when we have a minus W, it means we're working backwards or doing backwards thing from W. So I'm going to start by just making our minus W. And we know it just kind of goes the opposite direction about that far. Minus, I keep saying W, U, minus U. So we have a minus U, so we know where we're going to go and we're going to have a minus U there. And we already know what V tells us to do. So first it says go V, so go up here to V, and then go minus U. Well, minus U is this sort of downward slanty thing. Minus U. Downward to the left is our U, not minus U. And I just need to draw our resultant. We'll do it in green. Maybe it looks about like that. So that is going to be V minus U. Again, we're thinking of these as just sets of instructions. Go to V, and then go the opposite direction U would expect you to go. All right, let's do 2U minus V. So 2U means basically go U twice. So we already have one U up here, and then we're going to go one U again. So I think that would take us maybe right about to there. So U and U. So we're waiting here. And then minus V. Let's see. Well, normal V goes up and to the left. So minus V, this is normal V, minus V is going to go down and to the right a little bit. That looks pretty good to me. I'm going to draw our resultant. I'm going to do it in green. And that would be 2 U's, because we went up twice, following U's directions. And then we went negative V, the opposite direction that V tells us to go. And we ended up at 2U minus V. Great. The last one is negative U, so the opposite direction of U, and then minus 3 V's. Okay, let's look. Well, we already have a negative U on here, so I'm going to walk along negative U, wait right here, and then minus 3 V's. Let's see. Well, minus V is telling us, we already drew it up here for the last one. Minus V is right there. It says go down and to the right. Normal V said go up and to the left, sort of at that slanty angle there. So minus V would be go down and to the right, the opposite slanty angle. So that to me looks like a minus V, but it's saying do it 3 times, so we got to do more. 1, 2, 3. And this isn't a perfect drawing. If I wanted to be much more precise, I could get a better estimate of how big these vectors are, but it's okay if you just have a sketch if it looks believable. So minus U, and then minus V 3 times. Once, twice, thrice, right down there. I'm going to draw the resultant in green. So minus U, minus 3V. Great. So that kind of covers the skills we need to do it, and this was purely geometrically. All we had were the vectors. We didn't even actually have any of the algebraic values, but we're still able to get an idea of what these sums and differences might be. That's pretty much it for this lesson. Come in when you can, take your exit ticket. On your exit ticket, you'll have a similar setup to this, but you'll also know what U and V are equal to, so you can do your computations out algebraically and then just confirm that they make sense geometrically. But you'll still be expected to do both algebraic work and compute the sums and differences with the vectors. We'll see you next time. We're going to be talking about, we're starting to think about how we can divide complex numbers in the next lesson.